I was born in Matamoros in 1952. I went to the university in Nuevo León and I graduated from industrial engineers in 1974. Immediately after, I went to get my MBA from the University of Texas of Edinburgh, and I started working in the industry, and I was recruited by CRC Kelly, Crutcher Resource Corporation, where I rapidly moved from manufacturing to general manager. While working at CRC, I saw an opportunity to create a company in Matamoros to provide engineering services to local manufacturing companies. The company was called Engineers and Technicals Associate. I then went to work for the heat exchanger in Houston, and after a group of Mexican investors bought the company, and I was transferred to Matamoros. Then I started a machine shop, Ingeniería Metálica Maquinable, that was dedicated to repairing machinery to the maquiladora industry. In 1984, I created Gobar Systems, and we moved from repairing to manufacturing steel stamping parts for the American market. In 1986, I formed an alliance with an Ohio-based company called Steel Tool and Die, resulting in the creation of a new company called Industrias Gobar in Matamoros. Now we start producing interface controls and the joysticks, and that was the replacement for all the heavy equipment for Caterpillar, John Deere, International Harvester. And today that company is been growing tremendously. The ITT company was sold to an investor group, and now is Delta Tech and a joint venture with our company, which is Siltech. Today, Siltech and Delta Tech were the leaders on the world on interface controls for the heavy equipment.
Siltech Delta Tech Controls designs and manufactures advanced operator controls and integrated systems for the off-road vehicle and medical equipment markets, simplifying operation, increasing reliability, and improving efficiency in a broad range of applications. The combination of disciplined product development, manufacturing, and quality systems, plus customer service, enables us to provide our customers with customizable controller products that perform to the highest standards under the most punishing conditions.
Due to the fact that we had a tremendous success and rapid growth, we need a more qualified and more skilled people. Then we create our own university to start developing the engineers.
El ingeniero González Barrón es el empresario más importante de la industria maquiladora de nuestra región. Él es un fiel creyente de que la educación superior es la mejor manera que tiene una ciudad para poder construir el capital humano necesario para que esta comunidad vaya para adelante y tenga un mejor futuro. A lo largo del tiempo, el ingeniero Rolando González Barrón ha desarrollado una universidad dentro de su empresa que ha permitido que cientos de ingenieros, que cientos de técnicos se hayan preparado de mejor manera para poder competir en el ámbito laboral. El ingeniero González Barrón ha contribuido fuertemente al progreso de la ciudad, desarrollando nuevas carreras de ingeniería en las escuelas públicas de nuestra ciudad y empujando a las autoridades estatales para mejorar sus planes de estudio, para desarrollar mejores formatos y, por supuesto, para actualizar los conocimientos que le permiten a nuestra gente estar en ese ámbito de competitividad que necesitamos en Matamoros.
All this growth and all this success is being on the last 30 years. That was not possible to do it without the creation of all the support industries. We have to create a machine shop, tool and die support, and heat treating. We created a plating facility and painting facility. We created a testing and calibration equipment. We created logistic and transportation. We created also a Mexican and US broker. All this growth that the company now make us a group of more than 1,000 people, highly specialized and highly qualified engineers.
As an ISO TS 16949 certified company, Gobar Systems is committed to total quality. It's our belief that quality products are created in the engineering, design, and tooling processes. delivering perfect quality produced by our people, technology, and systems. Global market demands complete solutions. In response to this, the Gobar Group provides value-added services such as tool and die making with Ingenieria Metallica Machinable, plating and e-coating with Renfro, customs broker service, warehousing, and logistics with Rare Import-Export.
Rolando has had the vision of integrating design into manufacturing operations. His manufacturing operations evolved from being a small, specialized machine shop to manufacturing isolated parts to integrated manufacturing processes for sub-assemblies. This model that Rolando has created is considered to be a small-scale advanced manufacturing cluster. This model, in my particular opinion, is worth to be imitated for an advanced manufacturing cluster in our binational region.